Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable Preview Pane in File Explorer on Windows 11. So firstly guys, click on Start. Now here type File Explorer. Open File Explorer. Now here guys, click on View. So you will see some options like Details, Light Tiles, Content, Compact View. And once you click on Show or hover cursor to show, so here is the option Details Pane and Preview Pane. So select as your requirement like Preview Pane. This is the preview, and also you can select Details Pane. It's details. You will see the information from here. So quick and easy way to set and to change Preview Pane in Windows 11. Select a file to preview. So this way guys, you can enable Preview Pane in Windows 11. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not.